All right, folks, good morning. Well, it's not morning anymore, it's afternoon. And today we're actually going to be unboxing the Logitech G920 racing wheel and setting it up. All right, we got some instructions, and it's just in like 40 different languages. Okay, so this sheet right here has a ton of different, like, warning: pedals have pinch points, may cause personal injury. Keep fingers, bare toes, and children away from pedals. Okay, but it's in like 40 different languages or more. 60? They really want you to keep your feet away from those pedals. All right, so we got like, oh, great. Pour just pull out of this bag. Trying to keep everything together the way it came. We got little booklet, become your own F1 hero at home. I wouldn't mind having one of those chairs, honestly. But if I had one of those, I'd have to move like all of my gaming stuff somewhere else. I don't have enough room in this little corner of my house for anything like that. Okay. Going out the wheel now. And you know what? I think I'm gonna get the wheel. You take the wheel out of this plastic bag. Alright, let's see. Let's get the instructions out. So, play seat. Oh, there's a higher play seat. I kind of like that. Foldable. The foldable play seat. How much is the foldable play seat? And got the sensational play seat that comes with its own like screen. That's pretty cool. Got the different kind of play seats that you can order if you want to, you know, spend beaucoup bucks. This looks like it's more in my alley and my price range. Okay, so there has to be some instruction somewhere. Okay, let's see. We got, yep, 2 cords. So we got this power pack that's supposed to go into the wall. That gets hooked right. Goes right in there. And this gets plugged up into the wall. Okay. Then we have this cable right here. It gets connected to like the USB of the computer, I suppose. Okay, so that will be put aside. Hey, food, how are you? Okay, so what gets connected to the pedals? Okay, let's put this down on the floor real quick. Hey, Arcade, what's up? Let's get the pedals out of the box. I don't think there's anything else in the box besides that. It looks like it's pretty straightforward. You doing pretty good? Yeah? That's awesome. How about you, Arcade? What are you doing this fine Saturday afternoon? Okay, so this gets connected to the wheel. This needs to go on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and twisty twist this. Playing COD? Of course. I don't know. So I meant to get a rubber pad for this because I have carpeting, but I didn't, so I'm gonna have to wing it. It doesn't stable. Okay. This needs to get clipped up to my computer table somehow, and I'm really happy that it's not super heavy because honestly my computer table is just slightly flimsy. Okay, so I gotta figure out where this goes. All right, this goes next to it. Food, you been cooking anything interesting lately? Now I have like these, they have this little like groove. There's a groove right here where you can put the wires so they're not in your way, which is pretty awesome. I'm gonna put this one here. We all know how it is when you have a computer or anything else and all the wires that are just all over the place. It can be a little distracting. Okay, put that in there. Okay, wait. All right, okay. So you pull these things out. And you twist. Ha ha ha. See? Get those things off. Now we can actually connect it to my table and hope that it doesn't obscure my my ability to use my keyboard. So I gotta move all this stuff. Hey Lena, do you know anything about this game right here? My husband's like, oh, you should stream this. He pulled us out of the recesses of the basement. All right, I gotta find a USB port for this. Otherwise, I might have to. And I'm wearing my outfit today because I think it looks like a race suit. Oh, it's moving. Not touching anything. Doing its own thing. Yes, I do have a tail. That's what we're doing right now. Download for Windows 10, and then let me restart the game and see if it exit the desktop. And then we're gonna go ahead and download this real quick and see if that works. You're on the screen.
Second.
Oh wow, on my screen I'm 4th and you're 5th.
Yeah. Ow!
Okay.
You're like still at the start line. Stop ramming me! Everybody's ramming me.
Oh boy.
That's crazy. It says your name is Lena B.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this. They need to fix this. Oh, watch out for that turn.
Yeah, I know what it is. This thing is trash on concrete. What it is.
Yeah, trash.
Is it finished downloading?
Let's see if that
Okay, what's
works.
this?